Best metal detectors are designed to help hobbyists and professionals easily locate hidden metals such as coins, jewelry, relics, and gold in different environments, including land, beaches, and underwater areas. With advanced features like high sensitivity, multiple detection modes, waterproof coils, and precise target identification, these devices make treasure hunting more accurate, efficient, and enjoyable for beginners and experienced users alike. Starting at number 1. XP Deus 2 RC Metal Detector. The XP Deus 2 RC Metal Detector, with the 22 FMF 9-inch coil, is a high-performance device designed for advanced treasure and relic detection across all types of terrain. It uses cutting-edge fast multi-frequency FMF technology, allowing it to detect a wide range of targets with excellent accuracy and stability in different soil conditions, including wet sand, mineralized ground, and freshwater environments. The system includes a lightweight S-telescopic stem for easy handling and portability, making it comfortable for long search sessions. It comes with a wireless remote control unit that provides full access to settings and detection modes, offering users precise control and customization. Designed for professional and hobbyist detectorists alike, the XP Deus 2 delivers fast response, deep target detection, and reliable performance, making it ideal for finding coins, jewelry, artifacts, and other buried treasures in diverse outdoor environments. Number 2. MINELAB Vanquish 540 Metal Detector. The MINELAB Vanquish 540 Multi-Frequency Pinpointing metal detector is a versatile and user-friendly device designed for adults who are interested in treasure hunting and relic detection across a variety of terrains. It uses advanced multi-frequency technology to improve detection accuracy and depth, allowing users to find coins, jewelry, and historical artifacts more efficiently. The detector features iron bias control, helping reduce unwanted signals from iron targets so you can focus on valuable finds. It comes equipped with a V12 12V1X9 Double D waterproof coil, making it suitable for use in wet environments such as beaches, rivers, and rainy conditions. With 4 different detection modes, users can easily switch settings based on the type of search environment. The package also includes wired headphones and a rain cover for added convenience and protection. Overall, it is a reliable and efficient metal detector designed for both beginners and experienced users. Number 3. PalliPartners Metal Detector. The PalliPartners Metal Detector for Adults is a professional-grade waterproof gold detector designed for higher accuracy and reliable performance in various environments. It features an advanced DSP chip that enhances detection sensitivity and helps identify targets more precisely, making it suitable for searching gold, coins, jewelry, and other valuable metals. The device is equipped with a large 12-inch coil that improves depth detection and coverage area, allowing users to scan ground more efficiently. It also includes an LCD display that provides clear information on detection signals and settings for easy operation. With 5 selectable detection modes, users can adjust the settings based on different ground conditions and target types. Built for both beginners and experienced users, this metal detector combines durability, waterproof design, and advanced technology to support effective treasure hunting in outdoor environments. Number 4. Garrett Pro Pointer at Metal Detector. The Garrett Pro Pointer at Waterproof Metal Detector is a compact and highly sensitive handheld device designed for precise target location during metal detecting. Made in the USA, it is fully waterproof and can be submerged up to 20 feet, making it suitable for use in rivers, beaches, and other wet environments. Its bright orange design ensures high visibility, so it is easy to spot even in low light or underwater conditions. The detector is built for detecting small targets such as gold nuggets, coins, and jewelry with excellent accuracy. It features 3 sensitivity levels, allowing users to adjust detection strength based on different search conditions, and includes quick button controls for easy operation in the field. Durable, portable, and user-friendly, the Garrett Pro Pointer AT is an essential tool for both beginners and professional treasure hunters who need precise and reliable pinpointing performance. Number 5. MINELAB X-Terra PRO. The MINELAB X-Terra PRO All-Terrain Professional Metal Detector is a fully waterproof and highly versatile device designed for adults who want reliable performance in a wide range of detecting environments. Built with ProSwitch technology, it allows users to easily change frequencies, helping improve accuracy and adaptability when searching for different types of targets such as coins, jewelry, and relics. Its fully waterproof construction makes it suitable for use in rivers, beaches, and rainy conditions, giving users confidence to explore both land and underwater areas. Designed for all-terrain performance, it delivers stable detection even in challenging soil conditions. With a user-friendly interface and durable build quality, the X-Terra Pro is suitable for both beginners and experienced detectorists who want a dependable and professional-grade metal detecting experience.